Whether it is a weekend getaway or holiday break, preparing meals on an outdoor camping trip is quite a dedicated job. You would never be able to truly enjoy the sceneries and activities with an empty stomach. That is why you have to pay special attention to your cookware. A miscalculation could make you starve later on. All aspects of camping rely on a blend of experience and preparation. Cooking is no different. Even if you are a great camping cook, you will still suffer if you do not prepare correctly. Whether you are cooking up some grub for your climbing buddies or planning an extended getaway in the great outdoors, camp food is essential, and how you prepare is key. So if you are new to camping or looking to update your existing camp kitchen, you have to come to the right place. In the case that you want to obtain the best camping cooking gear but don't know where to look, this article is for you. Below are our 5 picks. Let's get started.
Here Top of Zone. We are a bunch of researchers and testers. We test, analyze, research new products and create our list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, feature and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so that viewers may know about new products. Our goal is to create proper shopping guidelines so that our viewers can make proper decisions.
Want to get the most out of every gram of fuel? Then the PrimeTech cooking gear shall not let you down. They are suitable for campers who only want to wait for a bit before the water gets boiling. This is due to the built-in heat exchanger below. The energy efficiency is 50% higher than other classic products. Due to the use of hard anodized aluminum in its construction, it possesses admirable rust resistance and heat distribution. The non-stick ceramic coating in the interior makes it easy for you to cook and clean. For safe handling, there is a very handy pair of gripping tongs that you can use as a handle or a gripper. The clear with heat-resistant silicone handles permit you to perform certain tasks much easier, like pouting pasta water. This is truly awesome news for your bag, your wallet and the surrounding environment. The cooking capacity is enough to support 2 to 5 campers. Overall, this will save you space and weight, making this ideal stove for hiking, camping, ski touring, or any number of outdoor activities. At 1.5 pounds of featherweight, the Winterial 10-piece camping set has everything you need to make a delicious meal. The set adds 2 quart pots with lids, 1 quart frying pan, 1 quart tea kettle and more. The total set measures 3.5 inches into 6.75 inches. All the pieces are neatly stored inside each other, so the dimension of this cooking gears is quite compact. Each piece is made from aluminum oxide and non-stick Teflon coatings that makes it durable and convenient to use. Given the versatility of the pieces, you could prepare a wide range of meals and drinks using what you have on hand. You may even opt to leave some pieces behind to make room for other cooking gears you want to squeeze in. In terms of performance, the Teflon coating is also good. Even it is easy to clean. Overall, having an affordable price tag, the Winterial 10-piece camping set is an economical choice for people with a tight wallet. It is hard to keep the food fresh while you are far away from home, not to mention bugs and other harmful outdoor elements. This is why plastic food containers like Joseph Nest Storage should come in really handy due to their simplicity and usefulness. This ingenious space-saving design neatly combines the bases and lids for 6 different sizes of storage containers to occupy the same space as one. This set measures 10 into 8 into 5.25 inches. Featuring an innovative arrangement, it provides you multiple colorful containers with a humble profile. The clear BPA-free plastic bases nest neatly inside each other and color-coded lids snap together so the whole system can be stored together, taking up minimal space in a drawer or cabinet. There are many designs you can choose from: 6-piece, 8-piece, 10-piece, 12-piece, 16-piece. All the pieces are color-coded so it's easy to locate the right lid. Nothing can beat an ice-cold drink when the weather is hot, and this Coleman Cooler shall provide you with that. It is capable of retaining ice for 5 days in temperatures as high as 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Even this high-capacity cooler holds up to 84 cans. That means you'll have plenty of room for refreshments for a whole group of friends and family. The heavy-duty wheels and telescoping handle make it really easy for you to transport the cooler around. Under-liter molded cup holders to grant quick access to your beverages. While the ice starts melting, a leak resistant is there to let you remove the excess water effectively and effortlessly. Overall, its cheap acquisition cost means everyone's wallet could support the cooler purchase without trouble. You have to eat something, and it should probably be as high quality as the food you make. From campsite to cabin to backyard get-together, GSI Outdoors 12-piece table set contains everything you need to feed the gang in classic style and rugged durability. The GI's Pioneer table set is made from heavy gauge enamel steel. These pieces have been twice kiln hardened to over 1000 degrees Fahrenheit for superior durability, with a cheerful porcelain glaze and a stainless steel rim for included strength. The 4 12-ounce cups, 4 10.375-inch plates, and 4 5.75-inch bowls stand up to heavy use at base camp and make a cheerful addition to the everyday table as well. The 4 cups, bowls, and plates nest as stacked as a set. They come in a bright blue or forest green, so pick wisely as they will probably last you decades.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.